Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to cook papad in a microwave. It's a quick and easy way to enjoy this delicious snack without deep frying. First, choose a microwave-safe plate, making sure it's larger than your papad. Then, place one papad on the plate, ensuring it lies flat without any overlapping. For a crispier texture, you can lightly brush both sides with a neutral cooking oil, like canola or sunflower oil. Now for the cooking part, place your prepared papad into the microwave. Cook it on high power for about 30 seconds to 1 minute. Cooking times can vary based on your microwave's wattage and the papad's thickness, so keep a very close eye on it. You'll know it's perfectly done when it puffs up and achieves a lovely golden brown color. To get the best results, always start with a shorter cooking time, around 30 seconds, and add more in 10-second bursts if necessary. Overcooked papad can become burnt and bitter. Also, remember to cook papads individually. Avoid stacking them, as this prevents even cooking. After microwaving, let the hot papad cool for just a few seconds. This helps it crisp up even more. Once your papad is perfectly crispy, it's ready to enjoy. You can serve it immediately as a light and flavorful snack on its own. It also makes a wonderful, crunchy accompaniment to many Indian dishes, adding a delightful texture to your meal. Microwaving papad is a fantastic, healthier option, as it uses significantly less oil and creates much less mess than traditional deep frying.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.